Hello, my name is Andres Fernandez, and I'm presenting the results of my project, Data Defense, A Cure to Injury. All right, these are my table of contents. It just tells you where to find my slides. The introduction to the problem is I've realized that sports have been getting more dangerous and leading to more injuries recently. And my question was, how has data been used to protect athletes? My first source was published by Zhu et al. In 2021 in Scientific Programming, and they do a study on aerobic athletes in China, and they used big data and computer vision, and it targeted non-contact injury predictions. And their findings was they found that what high risk movements led to muscle and joint strains, uh, and they also found the high injury prone areas like the ankles and knees in aerobics. And then they also found an ROC curve, which evaluated risk factors and physical deficits, which can be used to the relevance, which could be used to like make specific training and diets. Second source was published by Goodland et al. In 2015 in PLOS One. And the study used genome-wide association studies, and they examined 14 Stanford triathletes, and they used genetic data to find injury risks. And their findings was that they found that genetic data and what injuries and risks that it led to. And this allowed them to develop personal training and diets for the athletes. And it shows how genetic data can be used to prevent injuries through diets and training methods and using that data. My third source was published by Dong and Sun in 2024 in Journal of Electrical Systems. They used data mining to prevent injuries, and they developed the P-min max algorithm and used wearable tech to make predictions. And they found that the P-min max accurately predicted injury risks, and it allowed them to create customized training and recoveries based on these individual risks on each person. And it also allowed them to find the best and worst case scenarios for injuries. And the relevance shows that how we can use predictive modeling to manage athlete safety and to predict how people can be injured and what we do to prevent that. Conclusion. So again, how has data been used to protect athletes? And what I found were the high risk movements in aerobics leading to injuries, genetic insights that help adjust training to reduce specific injuries, and using and using um, diets, and then the PMIN-Max algorithm, which accurately predicts injuries, allowing you to make personalized training plans. Thank you. These are my references. Thank you for listening.